Welcome! Today we're making a vibrant and refreshing Mediterranean couscous salad. This dish is perfect for a light lunch, a side at dinner, or even a potluck gathering. So, get your ingredients ready, and let's dive into creating this delicious couscous salad. Let's start with the ingredients you'll need. First, you'll need 1 cup of couscous. This will be the base of your salad. To cook it, you'll need 1 cup of boiling water or vegetable broth. For the salad mix, grab 1 cup of cherry tomatoes, which you'll cut in half, and 1 cucumber, diced. Next, get 1 red bell pepper and dice it, along with 1/2 of a red onion, finely chopped. For some added flavor, you'll need 1/2 cup of Kalamata olives, pitted and sliced, and 1/2 cup of crumbled feta cheese. To enhance the freshness, have 1/4 cup each of fresh parsley and fresh mint, both chopped. If you like a bit of crunch, consider 1/4 cup of toasted pine nuts or slivered almonds. For the dressing, gather 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. You'll also need 1 clove of garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, and 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. Don't forget to season with salt and pepper to taste. Now you're ready to prepare a delicious and vibrant couscous salad. Start by preparing the couscous. Measure 1 cup of couscous and place it into a large mixing bowl. Boil 1 cup of water or vegetable broth. Once boiling, carefully pour it over the couscous. Stir the couscous gently to ensure it's well mixed with the liquid. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap or a lid to keep the steam in. Let it sit for about 5 minutes to allow the couscous to absorb the liquid and soften. After 5 minutes, uncover the bowl and fluff the couscous with a fork to separate the grains. Set it aside to cool to room temperature. While the couscous is cooling, prepare your vegetables. Take 1 cup of cherry tomatoes and cut them in half. Then, dice 1 cucumber into small pieces. Next, take 1 red bell pepper and chop it into small cubes. For added flavor, finely chop 1/2 of a red onion. If you're using Kalamata olives, slice 1/2 cup of them and crumble 1/2 cup of feta cheese. Fresh herbs add a nice touch, so chop 1/4 cup each of fresh parsley and fresh mint. If you're using toasted pine nuts or slivered almonds, measure out 1/4 cup of those as well. Now, let's make the dressing. In a small bowl or jar, combine 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil with 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mince 1 clove of garlic and add it to the mixture. For some added spice, include 1 teaspoon of ground cumin and 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. Season the dressing with salt and pepper to taste. Whisk everything together until well combined. If using a jar, you can put the lid on and shake it vigorously to mix. Once the couscous is cooled, transfer it to a large mixing bowl. Add the chopped cherry tomatoes, diced cucumber, red bell pepper, and red onion. Toss in the sliced olives and crumbled feta cheese. Add the chopped parsley and mint, as well as the toasted pine nuts or slivered almonds if you're using them. Drizzle the dressing over the salad. Gently toss everything together until all ingredients are evenly coated with the dressing. Make sure the couscous and vegetables are well mixed for a balanced flavor. To allow the flavors to meld together, refrigerate the salad for at least 30 minutes. This will help the ingredients to soak up the flavors of the dressing. Before serving, give the salad a final toss to redistribute the dressing and ingredients. Taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. Serve chilled and enjoy your refreshing couscous salad. Lastly, here are a few tips can really elevate the dish. For extra flavor, consider adding a pinch of dried oregano or a splash of red wine vinegar to the dressing. This will add a lovely depth to the salad. If you want to switch up the vegetables, try adding diced carrots, radishes, or even some cooked corn for added texture and flavor. The beauty of the salad is in its versatility, so feel free to customize it based on what you have on hand. For those who prefer a vegan version, simply omit the feta cheese or use a vegan alternative. You can also add more protein like chickpeas or grilled tofu to make it a complete meal. To make ahead, this salad can be prepared up to 2 days in advance. Just store it in the refrigerator and remember to give it a good toss before serving to ensure the dressing is evenly distributed. Finally, if you're serving the salad at a gathering, consider adding the toasted pine nuts or almonds just before serving to maintain their crunch. Enjoy your couscous salad!